Hey guys, we got this OTOTO The Nessie family pack of three tea infuser, soup ladle, and colander. So the cute kitchen accessories with the cooking gifts or the funny kitchen gadgets or the kitchen stuff. So as you can see it here, they are the piece of three set. So now let's open this and I will show you. So it's a BPA free and dishwasher safe, so you can just put in directly. So there is a colander, a tea infuser, a soup ladle. So from the quality wise, you can see it here. It's very nice design, very good material, and this have the small little thingies like a small dinosaurs or the Nessie family. This is the colander, as you can see with this one, and very nice design. Actually, I like this colors and the design. That's a little different from this kitchen stuff, so make it a little fun. And this is a tea infuser. So it's a flexible thing, and then you can just put in the tea leaves here and just put in the boiling water. So it's silicone material, so which is safe in the boiling water. So very nice things, and the set to be used with a three-piece bundle and in the kitchen with all your the requirement. And this really likes like cute things. I really like this infuser and all this stuff.